स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंड अनस्कॉटेड चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। डिक्टेशंस की लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाने के लिए और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस की अपडेट पाने के लिए बेल आइकन दबा दीजिएगा ताकि टाइम से आपको अपडेट मिल सके। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. Brief facts of the present case, inter alia, are that landlord / plaintiff / respondent herein has filed JSCC suit number 04 of 2008 against the defendant tenant petitioner herein in the court of JSCC / civil judge Haldwani (Nainital) for recovery of arrears of rent and eviction of the tenant on the ground of non-payment of rent for more than 4 months, that is with effect from 1/4/2007 to 23/5/2008, despite demand of arrears of rent, void statutory notice, full stop. Defendant tenant petitioner herein having received summon has filed a written statement before the trial court, full stop, para. Landlord plaintiff respondent herein has moved an application seeking amendment in paragraph 7 of the plaint, saying that in paragraph 2 and 3 of the plaint it has specifically been stated that rent is due with effect from 1/4/2007 till 31/3/2008. However, in paragraph 7 of the plaint, due to typographical mistake, instead of 1/4/2007, 1/4/2008 was typed. Therefore, same should be allowed to be corrected, full stop. Learned Trial Court, wide order dated 27/2/2012, was pleased to permit the landlord, plaintiff, respondent herein to carry out the amendment in paragraph 7 of the plaint, full stop. Landlord, plaintiff, respondent herein has carried out the amendment in the original plaint on 29/2/2012. However, amendment could not be carried out in the duplicate copy of the plaint, which was filed along with original copy of plaint as required under Order 4th, Rule 1 CPC, full stop, para. Defendant tenant petitioner herein thereafter moved an application under Order 7th, Rule 11 CPC paper number 137C out, requesting the trial court to reject the plaint on the ground that landlord, plaintiff, respondent herein has failed to carry out the amendment in duplicate copy of the plaint filed along with original copy of plaint, full stop. Application so moved by the defendant tenant petitioner herein was rejected by the trial court and revision arising therefrom was also dismissed, full stop. Feeling aggrieved, petitioner has filed present writ petition under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, full stop, para. Mr. B.K. Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioner, has vehemently argued that since as per Order 4th, Rule 1 CPC, every plaint is to be filed in duplicate. Therefore, in every suit, amendment has to be carried out in case amendment is allowed by the court in the original copy of the plaint as well as in the duplicate copy of the plaint, full stop, para. According to Mr. B.K. Gupta, advocate for the petitioner, if amendment is not carried out in the duplicate copy of the plaint filed along with original copy of the plaint as required under Order 4th, Rule 1 CPC, then as per Clause E of Rule 11 of Order 7 CPC, plaint should be rejected, full stop, para. According to Mr. Gupta, in the present case, both the courts below have committed jurisdictional error by not rejecting the plaint as required under Order 7th, Rule 11 E CPC, full stop, para. Order 4th, Rule 1, Order 6th Rule 18 and Order 7th Rule 11 of CPC read as under para. Suit to be commenced by plaint. First, every suit shall be instituted by presenting a plaint in duplicate to the court or such officer as it appoints in this behalf, full stop. Para. Second, every plaint shall comply with the rules contained in orders 6th and 7th so far as they are applicable, full stop. Para. Third, the plaint shall not be deemed to be duly instituted unless it complies with the requirements specified in sub rules in bracket 1 and 2, full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया डिक्टेशन। ये जो 2 है वो भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर ही है, ठीक है। तो इसमें नाम वगैरह आए थे लेकिन हमने काट वाट दिए हैं शायद, नहीं नाम नहीं आए इसमें। बीके गुप्ता आए हैं, बीके गुप्ता तो सब लोग बना ही लेंगे, इनिशियल्स बनाने हैं, ठीक है। इसके ऊपर एक पीडीएफ है, छोटी सी है, उसको नहीं बोला है, ठीक है, क्योंकि उसमें ज़्यादा स्लैश और सब कुछ था इसीलिए उसको बोला नहीं। नीचे से मैटर शुरुआत किया हुआ है नीचे से। और हल्द्वानी इसमें आएगा ना, हल्द्वानी के लिए क्या करिए कि हल्द्वानी एच का टिक लगाइए, अपवर्ड एल कर दीजिए, ठीक है, या तो इसको एल को हाफ कर दीजिए, इससे हल्द हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और वे का स्ट्रोक और एन का स्ट्रोक बना के ई की वॉवल, एक ये हो गया, एक पूरा बना दीजिए, एच का टिक, अपवर्ड एल, फिर डी और फिर वी का हुक और एन, ठीक है। एक ये तरीका है। और दूसरा तरीका ये है कि यही होल्ड अबव द लाइन होल्ड बनाइए और उसमें वे और एन का स्ट्रोक बना दीजिए, हल्द्वानी हो जाएगा। हमारे हिसाब से तो जो हाफ एल था अपवर्ड वो ज़्यादा सही पड़ेगा, ठीक है। अपवर्ड एच का टिक, अपवर्ड एल और वे और फिर एन का स्ट्रोक, हल्द्वानी। तो चलिए बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन, स्पीड कैसी लगी और कमेंट करके बताइएगा। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और मिस्टेक्स अपनी ज़रूर बताइएगा। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।